Fresh out of the oven, these triple chocolate pecan muffins are beautifully domed and look absolutely perfect. Alright, let's bake. Here are the ingredients you will need. You can also find the full recipe linked in the description box below. To enhance the chocolate flavor, we are going to add a little coffee. Dissolve the instant coffee powder in hot water, then set it aside to cool. Next, melt the butter in the microwave and let it cool as well before adding it to the batter. For the pecans, chop them into pieces, not too small, as we still want a good crunch in every bite. Roughly divide them into 2 portions, a larger portion for the batter and a remaining small portion for the topping. For the chocolate, I'm using a mix of dark chocolate chunks and chocolate chips, but feel free to use whatever you like. Roughly mix them together, then divide them the same way as the pecans, a larger portion for the batter and the rest for the topping. Now combine the larger portions of pecans and chocolate. Lightly spray them with a little water, then toss them with about 2 tablespoons of flour until evenly coated. The flour acts like a glue, preventing the nuts and chocolate from sinking to the bottom, so they are evenly distributed throughout the muffins, giving you chocolate and pecans in every bite. Preheat the oven to 220 degrees Celsius and line a muffin pan with 8 muffin cases. I like to use these bakery-style 2-knit muffin cases. They are not only look pretty, but also helps the muffins rise beautifully. In a mixing bowl, add the cooled melted butter, vegetable oil, caster sugar, and light brown sugar. Mix well until everything is fully incorporated. Next, add the buttermilk, cooled coffee mixture, vanilla extract, and egg. Mix again until the mixture looks smooth and cohesive. Then sieve in the dry ingredients, the remaining flour, cocoa powder, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Sifting helps remove any lumps and aerate the ingredients. Gently mix until just combined. Finally, add in the flour-coated pecans and chocolate. Mix again just until there are no dry flour patches left. You will know the batter is ready when it looks smooth, thick, and glossy. Scoop about 1 3/4 portions of the batter into each muffin case using an ice cream scoop. See how full these muffin cases are? That's one of the secrets to achieving beautiful bakery-style domes. Sprinkle generously with the reserved pecans and chocolate on top. They will look beautiful once baked and give the muffins an extra crunch and burst of flavor. Don't they look so tempting? Now bake them in the preheated oven at 220 degrees Celsius for the first 5 minutes. This heat shock helps them rise beautifully. Then lower the temperature to 180 degrees Celsius and continue baking for another 13 to 15 minutes, or until a skewer inserted into the center comes out clean. After all that work, let's take a moment to appreciate them. Let the muffins sit in the pan for about 5 minutes, then transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. This prevents soggy bottoms. Alright, the muffins have cooled slightly. Let's have a look. They are wonderfully soft and smell absolutely incredible, with a deep, rich chocolate flavor. The muffin itself is soft, moist, and tender, and with each bite, you get that lovely crunch from the pecans and chocolate chips, rich, indulgent, and truly delicious. I'm so excited for you to give this recipe a try. Click the link in the description box below for the full recipe, and let's get baking. If you loved this muffin recipe, check out my cupcakes and muffins playlist. Click on the screen to watch more, and I will see you there. Bye for now.